this is how I coffee dye my papers. I'm boiling some coffee mixed with tea, and I'm gonna put in a spray bottle. I'll put my papers here and I'm gonna spray them. Alright, I'm gonna dye this. I have a lot of papers I'm gonna dye, and we'll do them together. Alright. Okay, so now I've poured some coffee into this, and we're just gonna, spray. I'm gonna soak it. Alright. There you go. Okay, and when you're done spraying, you put the next paper on top and repeat the same thing. Spray the side and I'm trying to lift it up. Come on. Okay, here we go. Turn it over and spray it. Now we're gonna do this for all this coffee dye, everything. Alright. Okay, so I finished dyeing the papers with coffee, and I put them in the oven for like 2 minutes, and yeah, on high heat, and this is what you get. So I tried dyeing some pages from a storybook there, and some coloring pages as well. And some color papers. Okay. What I'm gonna do now is to iron it on high heat, so I can straighten the papers and they'll be so puffy, Alright. Nothing too serious, just quickly iron it and you're good to go. Alright. Okay, so I just finished ironing the papers and they look much better now and not so puffy. See? So that is how you coffee dye your paper. You age it, make it look a bit vintage, I don't know, whatever. And I'll be using them to make junk journals, notepads, and I'll post that video when I do, so stay tuned for that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye.